It's 8 AM here in Stockholm, Sweden, and the weather is looking great this Saturday morning. We are going to witness the battle between David and Life. David has done 25 episodes in 25 weeks, so the form is looking great for our content creator today. Exciting to see if he will manage to continue this streak while handling a full-time job and keeping the apartment clean and tidy. So make yourself comfortable and buckle up with your favorite snack, cause here we go. David is up and running, fully focused on the computer. Looks like he's checking his mail and making plans for today, while getting some breakfast at the desk. Effective start here from David, let's see if he can keep up the pace. Now it looks like he has started to design the thumbnail for episode 25, which is great. It's one of the big tasks for today, so that's absolutely what he should be focusing on. David is manually masking out the text, which can be quite time consuming, so we'll see how much time this will take. But it's making progress fast, so it's looking pretty good. Looks like he's switching between YouTube, Spotify and Facebook. Not a good strategy if you want to get a lot of things done. And there we see David leaving the room, but where did he go? If you have an answer to that question, you can win a car. And David is back. He's fixing some things on the desk. I think it's some holes that he's trying to cover so he can sell the desk for a good price. And now it's time for lunch. David is very focused on his cell phone, but nothing is burning in the kitchen, so I'll guess we're all good. He's taking a carrot while making the food, and it looks like he's eating burgers to his pasta, which is kind of a strange combination, but what can you expect from a guy growing up in Skellefteå with polar bears on the street? One thing is for sure, he's a guy that loves hamburger dressing. I mean, look at the amount of dressing he has on his burgers. I mean, David, come on, this is just embarrassing. He's cleaning up the table and now he's heading back to the bedroom, or whatever you call it when you live by yourself and have everything in one room. Anyway, the new desk seems to be fixed and now he just have to get it in place, which can be quite a challenge for David in this room. Exciting to see how he will handle this obstacle. Oh, he's back at the computer. Let's hope he's doing something productive, cause it's taking a lot of valuable time for him. But now he's back in the game and I think he's going to get the new desk in place now. But first he has to detach the USB adapters underneath the desk, something he attached just a couple of episodes ago, and now he has to do it all over again. And now comes the tricky part. How will he fit the desk in the corner? Oh, it looks like it's just about to fit when turning this shelf around. And there it is. The desk is in place. Great performance here from our Swede, and I think we actually have David here on the line, so let's ask him. David, what are your thoughts about this episode?
No, I mean, it was a huge test for us. We needed to come out strong from the start, be focused, play smart. We knew it was a big physical desk. It's a tough desk to beat, and we needed to work hard. We got some burgers in the pan in the second period, and I felt like we had the momentum going in the game, so we just kept going hard. It's a tight room. Every desk is important, and we knew that we need to win the battles in the corner and find open ice. But it's a small rink. It is what it is. I felt like we got great support from the fans throughout the game, and we took our chances and we followed the game plan, and we got the result with us.
Thank you so much, and for you guys watching, thanks for staying with us. This is Project Vayner, and my name is commentator. See you in the next episode.